Check out what we have here. We have the Beast from Wolfpack Racing, all the way down from Florida. Brought it to us to do a fire suppression install. We got 3 nozzles in the engine bay. See one right there for the passenger side header, one in the center, one on the side for the driver's side header. Go to the inside. We got a nozzle mounted right at the floorboard in the cockpit. Set the system off. We also got a remote under the dash, remote wire. Once it senses heat, it'll set it off. We got a fire suppression bottle, 2 lines, one for the engine bay, one for the cockpit. And then we got the other nozzle right here for the passenger side floorboard. Give us a call for all your custom install needs. We can also drop ship parts to you at Watson's Hot Rod Garage. Hope everybody has a wonderful day.